Introducing Wiser, the beautifully simple heating system from Drayton. It's easy to install and use from app to thermostat, and it benefits from over 60 years of engineering know-how, making it the wiser choice for smart home heating. Personalising your home couldn't be more affordable. Start with our wireless smart room thermostat, which can be installed in a matter of minutes, and create your own multi-zone system by adding a radiator thermostat to each of your rooms whenever you need, giving you complete control and comfort throughout your home. With our Wiser app, life couldn't be easier. It works with the latest smart technology, Amazon Alexa, allowing you to go completely hands-free. And with our unique eco mode, Wiser learns how to heat your home, understanding the impact of weather and when to adjust the schedule to save you money. Whether you're at home or anywhere in the world, you're in complete control of your heating and hot water. And with the flexibility of Wiser's multi-zone system, you can create a heating solution that's right for you, from one room to up to 16 different rooms, giving you control of the temperature throughout your home, whilst helping to save money on your energy bills. Wherever you are, whenever you need it. Wiser, the simpler, smarter and altogether better way to personalise your home heating.